Okay, so welcome to our Live Good Business Presentation, the membership that pays. Ayan po. So welcome sa ating pong lahat. Napaka-exciting po nitong ating pong pag-uusapan. But before I go into my presentation, allow me to introduce quickly about myself. I'm gonna be your speaker for tonight. This is Coach V. Sabulao, a diamond leader here in Live Good. Okay, just a quick background. My life before. Ako po ay isa pong accountant by profession. I've been into practice for 13 years. Solo mom po ako ng 5 bata. Nag-join po ako sa network marketing at ang intention ko lamang po nung time na yon is mapagtapos ko po ang aking pong mga anak sa kolehiyo. And praise God, silang 5 po ay nakatapos sa kanilang mong pag-aaral, nakapagtapos sa kolehiyo, and I was able to give them a comfortable life na they should have. And I've been here in network marketing industry for 17 years and a half, including Live Good. At ako po ay naging top achiever ng 3 international companies. Kasama po dyan si Live Good. And my life, I became the first woman to become diamond in Live Good, not only in the Philippines, but the entire Live Good. I'm the 5th diamond in the Philippines. I'm the founder of LGSEI. Ito po yung pangalan ng team under me. Okay, nanganak din po ng maraming mga team. Okay, so this is Live Good Soaring Eagles International. And I'm a happy mom, a grandmom, a coach, and a mentor. So, how did I discover Live Good? February of 2023, so 2 years and a half na po almost. I saw the powerful landing page of Live Good, and dahil po doon, I joined right away and I could say that my life changed. So, if my life changed, yours also can be, 'di ba? Pwede po, nagbago yung buhay ng ibang tao, ibig sabihin, pwedeng mangyari po sa atin. So, because of Live Good, I regain my health and energy. In 2 years time, I'm gonna be turning senior citizen, pero parang hindi ko naman nararamdaman. Okay, yung mga dating sakit na sakitin po ako, dami ko pong mga nararamdaman na sakit noon. At yun po ay nawala na. So, okay. Who can I add? So, Coach Bernajen, Coach, sandali lang po, no? Coach Bernajen, gawin ko po kayong co-host kasi habang nagsasalita po ako, may mga pumapasok. So, Coach, sino pa nandito? Sino po yung pwedeng mag-co-host? Bernajen, Coach Candice, marunong ka mag-accept, paki-admit mo lang po sila. Okay, so Coach Lily, I know that you are busy. So, okay. So, I hope na matulungan niyo po ako sa pag-accept ng mga guests. Okay, so let me continue, no? Because of Live Good, I regain my health and my energy. I'm turning 58 this year. At 2 years time, tayo po ay magsi-senior citizen na. At grabe, no? Yung dating sakiting ako, talagang totally, limot ko na po yung mga sakit ko. Ngayon, medyo nag-suffer lang po ako sa headache, yung masakit po yung ulo ko the other day, and mayroon pang konting kirot ngayon dahil napamali po ako ng tulog, napasukan po ako ng lamig sa ulo. Kaya hindi po natin talaga alam yung buhay, no? Minsan okay ka ngayon, tapos bukas hindi natin alam what's gonna happen to us. And that is why it's really my purpose. This business of Live Good is really very, very close to my heart. Kasi ang mission natin dito is to educate people really to become healthy, because health is the best wealth. So I built smart income with a purpose, yes, and I help others to grow and rise. That's why we have our coaching call here. I develop stronger leadership, and I live in peace, passion, and direction. So this is not all about me. Ang pag-uusapin natin is all about you. Paano po ba ang mga pangarap po natin? So let me start, no? What if, no, yung Netflix, nag-umpisa po sila with an affiliate program. Alam ko po na halos lahat ng bahay ngayon ay meron pong Netflix. Paano kaya, no, kung imaginein po natin yung Netflix, nag-come out po sila ng affiliate program like Live Good, na kung saan nag-refer ka ng isang kaibigan at babayaran ka. Okay? So, nanood ka, no? Naging masaya ka sa pinanood mo. You refer a friend. And then, from that, you are earning a monthly bonuses from members. Kasi ngayon pong panahon na to, halos lahat ng bahay po ay meron na pong Netflix. Agree po? Kasi ito po yung industriyang halos pumatay po sa blockbuster movie. So, at ngayon, ang Netflix po ay meron na pong 302 million members. Wow, grabe, no? So, what I'm trying to point out that this subscription industry is really a booming industry. However, yung mga popular membership like this Netflix, hindi naman po tayo binabayaran. Tama? Wala din naman tayong bonus sa panonood. Nabusog lang tayo, nagkaroon lang tayo ng electric bill, nag-enjoy lang po tayo sa moment, shinare natin sa kaibigan, we feel good about it, pero wala naman po tayong komisyon. Tama? So ngayon, maliban sa Netflix, marami pong mga popular membership na I know that majority of us knows this, no? Kagaya po ng YouTube Pro. Alam po yung YouTube, meron po itong 125 million na pag ikaw po ay nag-prime ng nag-YouTube Pro, magbabayad po tayo dito ng either monthly or annual basis. So, ganun din po yung Amazon Prime. Ang Amazon Prime po ay may 200 million members, pero there are over 300 million members na, including dos yung mga free. So, lahat po itong mga company na nakikita nyo po sa screen, YouTube Pro, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Costco, Disney. As you can see on the screen, pwede po tayong magbayad ng either monthly or an annual basis. At makikita po natin sa opposite end, talagang milyon-milyon na po yung mga members. So, dito, ito pong mga popular membership na to, we know that we are paying on a monthly basis or it can be an annual, na kung saan makakatipid po tayo. And we can see also on the screen, talagang mga members po ng mga popular membership na to ay talagang expanding. It's really evolving. However, ito pong mga na-mention ko po na mga popular membership, they don't pay. Wala pong bayad ang YouTube Pro, wala pong bayad ang Netflix, Costco, Sam's, Amazon Prime. However, dito po sa Live Good, as you can see on the right side, Live Good is a membership club, no? Na kung saan lahat ng mga member po makakatipid po tayo ng malaki through our membership model. You refer a friend and you get a friend because Live Good is the form of membership that pays. Ayan. So palakpakan naman po natin ang ating pong company. So we are the game changer in this industry. Tayo po yung kauna-una po ng klase po ng membership na nagge-generate po ng income. And who is Live Good? Sino ba talaga ito? Ito po yung kumpanya na tinagurian po tayo the membership that pays. We are also called as the revolutionary company. Tayo din po ay tinaguriang disruptor in the industry. Kasi grabe, no? Kung sino po dito yung mga network marketer na alam po natin na talagang binago po ng mukha ng Live Good yung network marketing industry. Ayan po. So bakit po siya tinawag na revolutionary company? Because in Live Good, eto po, no, nakikita nyo, puro XXX. Samantalang sa other traditional MLM companies, puro check, 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 check. So ano po yung ibig sabihin po nito? Dito kay Live Good, wala na po tayong quota, no auto ship, no points monitoring, no forced buying of product, you buy only at need, and no more overpricing of products. Gusto nyo ba yon? So this is the reason behind bakit po ako nag-join kay Live Good. Just a mere few minutes, no, nung napanood ko po yon. Hindi po ako nakinig ng mga presentations. Basta after watching the landing page, I sign up right away kasi na-fall in love po ako sa nakita ko dahil si Live Good po, tinanggal po ang lahat ng pahirap na nararanasan po ng mga network marketer in a traditional network marketing company. So palakpakan po natin to. Live Good launched globally in last December 13 of 2022 with its business model of a wholesale membership club. So ibig sabihin po, tayo po ay global business platform na we are open in 200 plus countries. So grabe, no? So this is a wholesale membership club. So meaning to say, magjo-join po tayo dito kay Live Good para yung mga products na maa-avail po natin, we can get it at a almost factory price. So yun po yung purpose ni Live Good. And like Amazon, so I know that everybody knows Amazon, right? Ito po yung pinaka-biggest online store in the planet na nag-umpisa po ito noong 1995 and it officially opens its business as an online bookseller. At after 5 years, no, nag-expand po si Amazon. It went well beyond books, videos. They offer music, offer clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenwares, and even magazine subscription. So meaning to say, si Live Good po, after 5 years pa po siya nag-expand. After 5 years pa po siya nag-enter into other industries. Okay. Pero tingnan po naman natin ngayon si Amazon. Isa na siya sa pinakamalaking online store in the planet. So like also Live Good, like Amazon, Live Good can also add products and services from other industries. So apparently, nag-umpisa po si Live Good ng mga wellness products at nagdagdag po siya ng skincare. Eventually, magkakaroon po tayo ng mga household products. Ito pong fundraising na to, there will be pets, this is travels, finance, solar, crypto, AI, just to name a few. So ibig sabihin, we gonna be expanding a lot of industries in Live Good. And because of this, no, si Live Good po is the A of social marketing. So, ibig sabihin, siya po yung future Amazon of social marketing. This is the next Amazon of social marketing. And Live Good is not a health and wellness company. So, we are not just a health and wellness company. So, ano po pala tayo? Tayo po ay isa pong membership, and the membership is the product that we promote. Is it clear? So, that is why ang Live Good po is a membership club. This is a membership club like the popular membership na na-mention natin kanina. However, yung kaibahan po ng Live Good, tayo po ay nag-generate po ng income. Okay? So, the membership is the product that we promote. No buying and selling unwanted product or services. I'm not saying na you are not going to sell kasi meron po tayo ditong retailing also. Pero ang ating binebenta po talaga dito is the membership. Are we into it? Na intindihan niyo po yung sinasabi ko. So si Live Good po is our one-stop online wholesale superstore. Grabe, no? Darating pong panahon na sabi po dito, we are the future Amazon of social marketing. Kung ano nakikita po nating trend, no? Platform with Amazon, it's also the future of Live Good. So, ganun po ang mangyayari sa atin. Pero, ang napakalaki pong kaibahan, si Live Good po, nag-generate po tayo ng income. Ayan. So, nakakatipid na tayo, pero kumikita pa po tayo. So, yun po yung maganda doon. And next is, what do I love about Live Good? Bakit sobrang malapit na malapit po sa puso ko itong si Live Good na to? Guys, let me go through it. So, I'm proud with the people leading Live Good because I know that everything rise and fall on leadership. And allow me to introduce to you our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He is our CEO with over 20 years of experience in owning and running some of the most successful companies in nutritional supplement. So, grabe po, no? So, actually, what I admire with Sir Ben Glinsky, he is a man walking the talk. Talagang nakikita ko po yung passion, yung pagiging hard worker nila every Friday. You can see them together with the corporate owners during Friday, doon po sa kanilang Far Starter Friday. Nandoon po yung mga update, andun po yung mga promotions, ano po ang mga nangyayari po sa ating pong company. So, yan po, he's already a philanthropist by the way, and he knows how to help people win. So, ang goal po ng ating pong company is to help us to become a winner. And in fact, kung sa dating company po, segue ko lang po, no, 5% lamang po in the total population are making good money, but here in Live Good, there are around 30% of the total members, no, making good money. So, palakpakan po natin si Live Good. So, ang other corporate team po natin, we have here Dr. Ryan Goodkins. He is the Director of Product Development. Siya po ang nagpo-formulate ng ating pong mga natural supplements. And Ma'am Lisa Goodkins, the wife, she is the Director of Product Education. So, every Monday, makikita po natin sa kanilang Live Good page, sa Live Good page po natin, nagkakaroon po sila ng education, training sa mga useful benefits po ng ating po mga products. So, ibig sabihin, ma-educate po tayo, ano po yung mga benefits, what are the values of the products of Live Good. And of course, no, the Director of Field Development, no other than our passionate Sir Nodor Kasan. So, through leadership, it creates true success. And this is the reason behind why I'm loving Live Good so much. Kasi nakikita ko po yung leadership na meron po sa ating pong kumpanya. And let us read, no? Basahin po natin in silence. Ito pong mission statement ng Live Good. So ito po ay to help people get healthy, stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So nandito po tayo para maging channel a blessing po tayo sa buhay ng maraming tao para i-educate po sila paano po tayo magpapaka-healthy na hindi po butas ang ating pong bulsa. So this is a holistic approach actually na hindi lang about health but also becoming healthy in a form of our business, in a form of our mindset, in a form of our heart set, in a form of our purpose. Kasi pag ginawa po natin ito, alam niyo, nagiging channel of blessing po tayo sa buhay ng maraming tao kasi we introduce to them how to really to become very, very healthy. Ayan po. So it's time to make a change. So yun po yung purpose natin dito na magpapaka-healthy po tayo na hindi po butas ang ating pong bulsa. And the good thing here, no, si Live Good po ay para po itong si David and Goliath na talagang pinupuksa yung mga giant in the industry. At sabi po ni Sir Nodar Kasan, our field of director, development director, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people on top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Wala na po yung mga mamahaling produkto. Kasi basically, sa mga dati pong company, like for example, ito pong ang malapit po sa akin is the Herbal Radiance. Ito po yung Enriched Toner. Meron po tayo dito ding Vitaglow Hydrating Moisturizer. Meron din po tayo ditong, what is this? Ageless Renewal. So, ito po yung anti-aging serum. Okay, meron din po tayong instant ageless, yung parang instant youth na mawawala po yung ating wrinkles in just few minutes. So sa dati pong company, ito pong ageless renewal, alam nyo po ba na sa dating company na I am with, umaabot po ng mga 5,500 pesos, isa pong tube na ganito. So bakit naging mura po kay Live Good? Kasi na times 10, times 5, or some other company are making times 20, tinanggal po yun. Ginawa po ni Live Good na binigay sa atin ng almost factory price. Kaya gagamit po tayo ng mga produkto na hindi po butas ang ating pong bulsa. Kasi binigay nga po sa atin ng almost factory. At paano nagawa po ni Live Good yun? Because ginawa po siyang membership club na nag-generate ng income. So later on, you're gonna understand what I am referring to. So, why join Live Good? So, bakit po tayo sasali dito? Number one, there are just two great reason bakit po tayo sasali. Number one, for your health. Because you got to get these top quality products at almost factory price. Ayan po. So gusto mo bang magpaka-healthy ka? Tatanda tayo gracefully. We could have a better life, a healthier life, longer life na yung ginagamit po nating produkto ay hindi po masakit sa bulsa. So, smart income. We're gonna share, earn, and help others live better. Alam nyo, ito, yung smart income na yan, bakit tinawag ko po yung smart income? Because in Live Good, the business is so simple. Okay, you will understand as I continue. It's so simple, it's so affordable, grabe, and it's so duplicatable. Kaya pong gawin ito ng kahit sino, kahit estudyante, kasi napaka-affordable po ng ating pong puhunan. Okay, so ito naman po yung ating pong mga high quality and very affordable products. These are all made in USA. Alam naman po natin pag sinabi pong made in America, no? Stateside talaga, no? So, certified by the GMP, the Good Manufacturing Practices, and USDA approved, laboratory tested for its purity and potency. And the good thing is you buy only when you want it. No purchase necessary. So, hindi ka obligadong bumili para lang sa kota. So, dito, bibili ka kung kailan mo siya kailangan. And the good thing, ayan po, no? We have this money back 100% guarantee. 100% money back guarantee na pag hindi mo nagustuhan yung produkto at hindi talaga tumalab sa'yo, ibalik nyo po. Ibalik nyo po yung bote, 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. So we have here that in Live Good. So palakpakan po natin ang ating pong company. So gusto nyo ba yung ganong deal? Deal or no deal? Okay. So next question is, How do I order products? So, dalawang options po tayo dito. Pwede po kayong bumili as a consumer or pwede din naman po kayong bumili ng member. Siyempre, si consumer, mababa po. You pay retail low prices. And kung kayo naman po ay member, siyempre, mas mura ng dihamak kasi members price nga po, no? And to become a Live Good member, it's so easy. Sa mga guest po namin ngayon, sa mga nakikinig po sa amin dyan sa live at sa makakapakinig po ng replay po nito, okay? You just register with the sponsors link. Sino po ba ang nag-share sa'yo, nag-invite sa'yo, nag-share po ng presentations na to? And you pay only $9.95 to become a Live Good member. So if you just want to try on the product, just be a subscriber, which is $9.95 at makakabili na po kayo ng products at a wholesale price or members price. And you stay active by paying your monthly subscription. So I hope na naiintindihan po natin na ito pong subscription industry nito, which is named Live Good, is similar to Netflix, no? At sa mga na-mention ko kanina. Like for example, Zoom. Na pag hindi na po tayo active, no? Yung Zoom mapuputol. Kung tayo po ay hindi na nagbayad or nag-renew ng ating Netflix, hindi na po tayo makaka-access sa mga unlimited movies. So the same thing also with Live Good na every month we are required to pay the $9.95 subscription for us to buy the products at a wholesale price. So yun po yun. So if we are members of Live Good, we save up to 75% of the products compared po natin sa mga other network marketing companies. Ganon po kalaki ang matitipid po natin. At para makita po natin yan, we're gonna show you later on the comparison and contrast. But before I proceed, no, may question po ako dito. Would you like to earn $2,000 or more per month? So stay tuned po tayo because I'm gonna be sharing to you also na kung gusto niyo po ng opportunity na kayo po ay kumita ng certain income, stay tuned at ipapaliwanag po natin ito dito sa second part po ng ating pong presentation. So kung gusto po natin magkaroon po tayo ng additional income, what we're gonna do is you join as a Live Good Affiliates member. So bibig sabihin kanina, member, particular lang sa products. Pero once you join as a Live Good Affiliates, makaka-earn po tayo ng mga bonuses with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. And how to become an affiliate member? Same thing also, go to the person who invited you, ask for the sponsors link, at magbayad po tayo ng one time, isang beses lamang po na $40 to become an affiliate member. So that is the one-time affiliate sign-up fee. Pero you pay $9.95 per month for the membership. So remember that the membership is for the products. Okay po? So para ma-avail po natin yung mga products on as a member's price, we need to be active. At ito pong affiliate sign-up fee, ito po yung one time na babayaran natin na what we gonna do is just pay $9.95 for the monthly subscription. So ngayon, ito pong gusto kong ipakita po sa inyo na yung $40 na babayaran natin, ito po yung opportunity na pangmasa. With only amount of $40, are you with me? One-time affiliate fee, no, plus the monthly membership of $9.95, a total of $49.95. Yan po yung ating pong one-time capital. Okay? Or one-time investment capital. So, or pwede po kayong magbayad ng yearly, which is $139.95, including the $40, at libre po tayo dito ng 2 buwan. At kung kayo naman po ay member na, you can just upgrade your account and then pay $99.95. So ako, ganun po yung ginawa ko. Nagbayad po muna ako ng $49.95 and within that month, nag-upgrade po ako to $99.95. Nakatipid po ako ng 2 months. So what are now the benefits of becoming an affiliate? Number 1, meron po kayong affiliation for life. It never expires. Number 2, meron po kayong complete digital business suite. So grabe po ito. This is really more than 100% value for money. Kasi imaginein mo, sa $49.95 mo, sa $40 na binayad mo, meron kang 4 na replicated website na napaka-sophisticated. Meron ka ng powerful landing page, meron kang personalized website na meron kang username and password. Ikaw lang ang may access doon. Makikita mo yung real-time business platform. Number 3 is meron kang retail site store. And number 4, meron tayo ditong free health assessment report na pwede mo yang i-share sa mga kaibigan mo na gusto talaga magpaka-healthy. Sagutan lang nila yung 30 questionnaires. Then, the system will give them the advice ano yung mga products na nararapat po sa kanila. So, let's just be intentional. And there are so many venues kung paano po natin ma-share yung opportunity. So, those are the business suit na meron po tayo pag nagbayad tayo ng $40. And next is we got to participate in the complete on the compensation plan. So yun po yung last part na pag-uusapan natin. And we also have the multi-channel payout system. Grabe, no? So pwede kang bayaran through your crypto account, through your bank accounts, kahit anong banks po yan, as long as isi-set up natin at pwede rin through our credit wallet or our earnings, no? So there are so many basis no kung paano po tayo babayaran ng komisyon ni Livegood. So now, para makita po natin yung price comparison ng mga products po natin, gaano kalaki po yung natitipid po natin. Just one example, ito pong Super Greens, the price is $18, okay? I know nadagdagan po ito. I'm not sure kung $18.5 or $18.95, pero nag-increase na po ito. Let me update on this. And then yung ating mga competitor, ayan po yung Organifi Greens, Athletic Greens. Imaginein mo $69.99 at ang Athletic Greens is $99.99 na makakatipid po tayo ng 74% to 81%. But of course, no, magbabayad din po tayo ng freight cost. So, the same thing also nito tong mga other products na to. Freight cost is not yet included. Pero from the base pricing or the base costing itself, ang laki po ng natitipid po natin dito kay Livegood. So, palakpakan po natin ating pong company. So, next one is how you gonna compare the price and the retail price. So, kung titingnan po ninyo, if you're gonna sell the products, yung members price po at saka retail price, ang laki po ng ating pong profit dyan. So, $7.95 kumpara mo po sa 8.95, meaning to say, kumita po tayo dyan ng $8. So, magkano po ba ang $8? That's mga 500 pesos kung hindi po ako nagkakamali. So, you do your math, no? So, okay na ba yun? Yung kikita po tayo ng $8 sa isang product po like multivitamins. So, $8 times 57. So, that's 456 pesos. So, good or good? Grabe, no? Same also with for men and women. By the way, no, advice ko lamang po sa inyo, no, para kaalaman lamang po. Kung kayo po ay babae at tapos na po ang menopausal stage na po, kailangan po ang inumin po natin is the multivitamins for men. Wag na po yung for women. Ang kaibahan lang po ng dalawang ito pong multivitamin for women, meron po yung iron. At yung mga tao po, yung mga kababaihan tulad sa akin na menopause na, hindi na po kailangan natin ng iron kasi ang iron na di-discharge po yan through panganganak or through monthly menstruation. So, it's not good to have too much iron in our body. And that's why multivitamins for men, yun na po yung gagamitin ng mga menopause. Okay? FYI lamang po. So, and then another products, okay, hindi ko po i-discuss po lahat, just to mention a few. Ito pong organic coffee, which is one of my favorite coffee. Ayan po, kasi natural po ito. Organic coffee, ayan po. So, 28.95 at saka 17.95. Grabe, $2 plus $9. So, that is $11 na ating pong retail income. Okay? Yan po yung magiging profit po natin. And same also with protein-based products. So, 34 vis-a-vis $22, you make a profit of $12. Ayan po. So, that's the comparison. At dito, pwede po nating ibigay yung ating pong retail site store in 200 plus countries kasi drop shipping method po tayo. So, we are a subscription-based company and a drop shipping method na the product will be delivered right at the doorsteps of our client at ang gagawin lamang po is mag-order po sila from the dashboard. Ayan po. Ayan. So, I hope na I'm getting clear. So meron po tayo ditong international pack. Actually, ang pinaka-best talaga na product, so babaguhin ko po ito na inire-recommend po ng ating pong CEO is the Wellness International Pack. Okay? So, ano po yung kaibahan po ng international pack? Allow me to explain muna po sa inyo. Ito pong nilalaman po ng international pack, we have here the magnesium complex. Kaya ito ay napakasarap po nito sa tulog, no? Kaya para doon sa mga hindi po nakakatulog ng maayos, this ultra magnesium is very, very good for you to sleep like a baby. Kasi having a good sleep is one of the most important factor para maging healthy po tayo. And not only that, meron po siyang 300 biochemical reactions. 300 biochemical reactions, no? Na ginagawa po sa ating pong katawan. And 80% ng mga adults are actually deficient sa magnesium. That is why, naalala ko no, nung unhealthy pa ako, nagigising ako, parang natulog ka pero pagod. Natulog ka pero ang bigat-bigat pa rin ng katawan mo. So unlike right now, na iba po yung pakiramdam, nagigising kang masaya, masigla, magaan ang katawan. So yung ating pong Day 3K2, ito naman po ay napakaganda po nito to strengthen our immune system. At para dun sa mga hindi nasisikatan ng araw, lagi po kayo nasa loob ng bahay, this is really very, very good for you. Kaya nung panahon ng pandemic, ito po talaga yung nire-recommenda sa atin. And we have also this anti-inflammatory factor 4. Grabe po, factor 4, meron po yung 4 na components. Andiyan po yung turmeric, CoQ10, ano pa ba yung iba? I'm not so, hindi ko po masyadong kabisado. Pero ang factor 4 is napakaganda po itong anti-inflammatory content. So this is number 1 top selling products natin for many years na. Okay, yung factor 4 kasi napakaganda nito sa mga may gout, may mga arthritis, at alam ko marami po sa atin dito may mga kakilala po kayong mga maraming itis-itis. Marami pong mga sakit sa tuhod, sakit sa talampakan, alam mo po yon. So mga cyst, mga bukol, any form of inflammation. Ang Super Reds naman po, organic Super Reds, wow, grabe to kasi halos lahat ng mga berries pinagsama-pasama po dito, and this is very good for our cardiovascular health. At tatandaan po natin, ang cardiovascular attack is still the number 2 killing illness in the world. Yan po ay talagang grabe ang risk po niyan, no? That is why it's very good na tayo po ay iniingatan po natin ang ating pong puso. Ang dami ko po ngayong kakilala na nanamatay because of cardiac arrests. So, proper blood circulation, it boosts the sexual health function. Kaya dyan, okay, sa mga mag-asawa, napakaganda din po nito, no? And it gives you the brain and cognitive functions. That's why Super Reds is very important. And ito naman pong ating Super Greens, grabe po, no? Halos lahat ng greens, kung hindi ka palakain ng gulay, talagang pwedeng makatulong po sa inyo with 1 scoop add on to a glass of water. Para na po kayong complete na mga gulay na kinakailangan po natin sa katawan, wherein nakakatulong po ito sa ating pong immune protection. It gives the energy, the recovery, the vitality, the stress support, and as well as the digestive health. So yung mga hindi nakakapupo, yung mga constipated po dyan, napakaganda po ng ating pong super greens. At saka yung mga nag-i-insulin na po dyan, yung mga matataas ang blood sugar, nakakatulong po ito pong ating pong super greens. Another one is the bioactive complete vitamins for men and women. So just the name itself, no, bioactive complete vitamins. Alam niyo po ba na kulang po ang ating mga kinakain ng mga vitamins and minerals? That's why this multivitamins is also one of the top selling products of Live Good. Number 2 po yan. So yung aking sinasabi po na wellness pack, kasama po doon yung number 1 is nandoon po yung nandoon po yung coffee. Meron po siyang kasamang mushroom coffee kasi tayo po ay mahilig po tayong uminom talaga ng kape. Pero alam nyo ba na ang dami pong mga kape na dangerous to our health kasi mga iniinom po natin sobrang taas ng sugar, no? Talagang mga synthetic, acidic, nakaka-damage po ng ating pong organs. Unlike ng ating pong organic coffee, okay, sa susunod, sasama na po natin yan dito. And another products na kasama po sa wellness pack is yung aminos, essential aminos. I'm taking that one. So yung essential aminos is napaka-importante po, lalong-lalo na sa mga nagkakaedad kasi tayo po ay naglalaylayan na yung mga muscle, yung ating mga pisngi, yung mga balat. Pag gumagamit po tayo ng essential aminos, syempre mapoprotect po yung ating po mga lean muscle mass. Kaya mapiprevent po natin yung aging and syempre yung ating mga buto-buto, yung ating mga joints, yung ating mga nerves nagiging malakas din po. So those are basically few products na meron po kay Live Good. Ang dami pa po niyan. Talagang maa-addict po tayo. Ang sarap pong uminom ng mga organic supplements po ni Live Good. So palakpakan po natin kung tayo po ay nag-learn. Gusto nyo bang uminom nito? Talagang how many of you here na gustong-gusto nyo pong uminom ng mga products ng Live Good? So ngayong gabing to, tuturuan ko po kayo paano uminom nito ng libre. Gusto nyo ba ng libre? At tapos mayroong pang sukli. So listen very carefully kasi isi-share ko po sa inyo paano po tayo nito iinom. But of course, no, yan. So type po kayo dyan sa ating comment section dun sa mga gustong uminom ng libre. Sabihin nyo, me, myself. Okay. So para dun sa mga nakikinig dyan, kung kayo po ay nakikinig pa, no? So i-type nyo po dyan, how many of you wants to take this product for free? So allow me to share to you a few testimonies, no? Written on the screen. Sabi po ni Lily Nell, the factor for advanced formula is effective for me because the cyst on my armpit is gone. It's amazing and I couldn't believe but it's true. So ako po, I've been here for 2 years na po, mahigit, no? Ang dami ko na pong talagang na-share din pong products na ang gaganda po ng kanila pong mga testimony. Kahit yung anak ko na lang po, no, sabi niya, ma, ang ganda talaga ng magnesium. Kasi kahit isa lang yung iniinom ko, ang pupo ko, grabe, ang sarap din po ng tulog ko. You just imagine, sabi niya, magandang i-promote ang magnesium kasi ang bilis ng effect. Galing from my daughter, her name is Rixie. Tapos isa pa, yung pamangking ko ngayon na gumamit ng super greens. Sabi niya, ante, ang sarap talaga ng ng super greens. Maganda yung poops niya, maganda yung pakiramdam niya sa katawan niya. So it's just good to keep on sharing to people about the greatness of the product. Ako, kung ikikwento ko po sa inyo yung mga testimonials, especially sa sarili kong pamilya, like sa ate ko na grabe, labas-masok na po yun sa hospital. Nung nadatnang ko po siya ng May, talagang lupay-pay na po siya, talagang hindi na siya nakakatulog. Praise God because of the products that I gave her, ito pong International Wellness Pack. Sobrang nakatulong po yan sa kanya. At nung bumalik ako nitong month na to, nung July, nung bumalik po ako, sobrang nagbago na po yung tumaba siya, nagbago na po yung pakiramdam niya. Lagi po siya nagpapasalamat. So, ang sarap po ng feeling na yung sinishare po natin is a certain kind of product that gives value to people. Yung nandito po tayo hindi dahil lang sa gusto nating kumita, pero actually yung bottom line na nag-i-inspire at nag-i-ignite po sa atin is yung something na binibigay natin ay nag-a-add on value sa buhay po ng ating po mga prospects. Okay, so thank you po Samsung SM. So pwede po bang i-type nyo kung sino po kayo para mapasalamatan ko naman po kayo ng maayos. So maganda po ang ating pong mga products, maganda o sobrang ganda. So ngayon, pupunta na po tayo sa last exciting part. Ito na po yung ating pong opportunity. So dito po sa Live Good, pupunta na tayo doon sa most exciting part, no? Paano po ba tayo binabayaran ni Live Good? So by the way guys, no, meron po tayong dalawang klase po ng business platform. Paano po tayo sinisweldohan, okay? Paano po nagbibigay ng compensation payout si Live Good? Meron tayong structure na number 1 is the infinite wide 10 levels deep. So, ibig sabihin, you can enroll as many as you can at babayaran tayo uni-level up to the 10th level. And number 2 is meron po tayong forced matrix, 2 by 15. Ito po yung unique. This is the heart and soul na uniqueness of Live Good na make it so successful dahil po dito sa forced matrix 2 by 15. So, meaning to say, whether you like it or not, kaya sinabi po ng ating pong CEO that you can even earn without enrolling people kasi talagang malalagyan po tayo ng spillover. So, kaso nga lang, wag po natin gawing marketing strategy na ituro natin sa tao, kikita ka na wala kang gagawin. So, magkaiba po ang ibig sabihin nun. Okay? So, dito po sa Infinite Wide, 10 levels deep, isa-isahin po natin. We have here weekly fast start, retail commissions, influencer bonuses, customer acquisition bonus. Meron din po tayong free products. Grabe, no? Ito pong free products na to, I'm gonna be explaining this during our detailed compensation plan at medyo technical po ito. So, but obviously, you can get free products from Live Good pag mga member po tayo. So, yon, Diamond Bonus Pool and Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. So, yun po yung 10 levels deep, infinite wide. And the next one is matching bonus and matrix commission through the first matrix 2 by 15 levels deep. So, yun po, pag-uusapan po natin ito. So, bago po ako pumunta doon, may babasahin lamang po ako dito. Sabi po ni Dolores Mendoza, totoo, yan, magnesium maganda sa bituka at factor 4 na wala ang pamamaga at pain ng katawan ko. Ayan po, coming from Dolores Mendoza. Thank you so much, partner, for sharing. So, yung may mga experiences po dyan na maganda, so you can type your testimonials at pwede ko pong basahin. So, a powerful unilevel matrix. Para maintindihan lang po natin, through the illustration, ikaw itong nasa taas, ano pong ibig sabihin yan? You can enroll infinite wide, meaning to say you can enroll as many as you can and 10 levels deep. Babayaran po tayo hanggang 10th level. Dito naman po sa matrix 2 by 15, we are set up in a triangular setup, meaning to say, ikaw yung nasa taas, okay, the first two, ilalagay po sa left and right nyo, and yung mga susunod na tao, ilalagay po ito sa ibaba po natin, forming the 15 levels structure. Okay. So, paano po tayo dito kikita, no? Sa infinite wide, 10 levels deep, 2 by 15 forced matrix. So, it's very, very clear and maliwanag naman po. So, doon po sa 9 ways to earn ni Live Good, what I'm gonna do tonight is just tackle to you ano po yung 4 na bonuses na meron po tayo dito. So, number 1, ito po yung weekly fast start bonuses. So, kung gusto mo talaga na kumita ka linggo-linggo, trabaho lang din po, enroll ka lang din ng tao linggo-linggo. So, weekly fast start, I call it active income or now income. Okay, so pag nag-enroll ka ngayon, today is Friday, no? So, kaninang alas 3, cut off po natin yon, alas 3 ng Philippine time, next Thursday night, babayaran na po tayo. So, kagaya kagabi, Thursday, no? First Thursday of the month, sineldohan na din po kami dito sa pangalawang kitaan. Ito po yung matrix commission at matching bonuses. So, matrix commission naman po, ang tawag ko po dito ay future income or residual income or passive income or pension income. Grabe, no? So talagang ito po yung pinaka-heart and soul po ng ating pong compensation plan. And on this presentation, pag naintindihan niyo po ng mabuti, ito pong aking ipaliliwanag, pwedeng hindi po kayo makatulog sa kaiisip, and it's good, it's normal. Because I've never seen any platform sa ngayon na kasing sophisticated, kasing lucrative po ni Live Good and very, very affordable. So that's number 2. And number 3 is the matching bonuses. Para po itong royalty bonus. So depende po, parang alam nyo yon, franchising, people franchising business. You build this person and 50% of her matching bonus will goes to you at babayaran pa tayo sa mga taong nabibuild na leaders underneath. And number 4 is the diamond bonus pool. Para po tayong co-owner ni Live Good. Na once we become a diamond, 2% will be given back to all the diamonds equally divided, and meron pa tayong crown diamond bonus pool. So, ito lamang po muna yung ating pong pag-uusapan ngayong gabi kasi kahit ito lang po, no, more than sapat na para maintindihan po natin kung gaano po kaganda si Live Good. So, the weekly fast start, the first way to earn the weekly fast start commission, just on the name itself, every person, every referral, you earn 50%, and that is $25. No auto ship, no quotas, no volume requirements, and yes, it's really amazing. So, example, nag-enroll po kayo ng 10 tao, $25 ang sayo, 10 times 25, and that is already $250. How would you love to make $250 per week, per month? So, depende po sa atin po yun. And the good thing is you can refer unlimited directs. So, ganyan lamang po, no? Ikaw to, nag-enroll ka ng tao, meron po kayong $25, $25, $25, infinite-wide unlimited earnings. So, para mas maintindihan po natin yung 10 levels deep, no? So, kung titingnan nyo po dyan sa header, meron po tayong mga ranking promotions na meaning to say, as you rank yourself, no, from unranked to bronze to silver to gold, platinum, diamond, meron po tayong na-earn na uni-level income. Okay? Na habang rumaranggo ka, tumataas yung rank mo, lumalalim yung uni-level mo. Example, unranked ka, syempre wala ka pang taong nai-enroll, that's 50%. That's why we're gonna earn $25. Pero kung the moment na naging bronze na po tayo, so yung in-enroll mo, meron pa rin po kayo dyang 10%. At pag naging silver naman po tayo, that's up to the 4th level, nadadagdagan ka ng 5%. Pag naging gold naman, dagdagan ka na naman ulit ng additional 3% and 2%. Pag nag-platinum na naman, additional 2%, 1%. So nakikita nyo po, nadadagdagan po tayo ng 2 levels deep, no? The moment na nagra-rank up po tayo. At pag naman tayo ay naging diamond, that is up to the 10th level, additional 1%, 1% up to the 9th and 10th level. So it's just as simple as that. Sa lahat ng mga bagong nag-sign up po sa atin, binabayaran po tayo ng weekly fast start commissions. So yung in-enroll mo, kumikita pa rin po tayo. So that's it, no? So that's very, very simple, no? Sa lahat ng mga taong nagbayad ng $49.95 or nagbayad po sila ng $139.95, 25% goes to the direct enroller, and the uni-level bonus from 2nd up to the 10th level will be given back to us depending upon on our ranks. So I hope it's clear. So para makita po natin yung halaga, no? Pag tayo po unranked, $25 yan. Pag bronze po, may dagdag po na 5%. Pag silver naman po, may dagdag na $2.50. Would you love that? Pag gold naman, madadagdagan ka ng $1.50 and $1. Okay? Pag platinum naman, $1.50. Pag diamond naman, 50 cents ng 50 cents. So anong nakikita po natin dito? As we rank up, para na lang po tayong namumulot ng mga $50, $50, $1, $1, $1.50, $2.50, something like that, up to the 10th level, depending upon on your rank. Exciting? Exciting po ba? Hello, andyan pa po ba kayo? Okay lang po ba na mag-comment po tayo dyan? Mukhang tahimik ang ating chat box. So if you are excited, can you please type on the chat box a far emoji or just simply type the word excited. So number 2 is the Matrix Commission. This is the heart and soul of the business. My Live Good family. Sabi ko po sa inyo kanina, ito po yung residual income. Ito po yung passive income. Yung bang tapos ka ng magtrabaho, hataw na hataw ka na dyan, binabayaran po tayo ng ating pong pension income. So, paano po ang matrix income nagwo-work? This is how simple the Live Good business opportunity is. Kasi sa lahat ng mga nagbabayad po ng $50, 25 cents, lahat po ng nagbabayad ng $9.95 monthly, 25 cents dollar binabalik po sa atin ni Live Good. So paano po 'yon nagwo-work? So pag yan po ay na-fill in yung ating pong matrix structure, pwede po tayong kumita ng $2,000 up to $16,000 plus. Okay. So, hello. Andiyan pa po kayo? Comment please. Are you excited? Bago po tayo pumunta sa second part ng ating pong compensation plan. So, gawin po nating exciting to. Masakit po ang ulo ko. Pinipilit ko lamang po. Okay. So, now let's explain paano po ito nag-work. So, we are going to teach you the simple power of 2. Strategy na grabe, applying the simple power of 2, we could come up with a residual income of $2,000 to $16,000. Example, ikaw po ito. Sino po dito yung may kakilala po kayong dalawa? Na alam nyo po na yung dalawang tao na yon ay mag-yes at mag-yes po sa inyo. So alam ko po, lahat tayo, meron po tayong dalawang tao. And using this kind of strategy, marami pong mga strategy na available, ano? It could be power of 3, power of 2, power of 5, power of 10, 20, and so on and so forth. Pero yung ituturo, isi-share ko lamang po sa inyo ngayong gabi is the simple power of 2, and it's really very, very powerful. So ito po ay proven formula, proven and tested formula po ito na talagang biblically speaking, yes, biblically speaking, from the life of Adam and Eve, papunta sa nanay at tatay po natin, diyan po tayo nag-explode with 2 people. So ikaw to, nag-enroll ka ng dalawa. Ang gagawin po natin dito is we are going to teach the 2 na in-enroll po natin na mag-enroll din po sila ng dalawa. At pag ito po ay itinuro natin, no, na you enroll 2 and teach the 2 to get 2, ayan po, tayo po ay talagang sasabog, no? Mapupuno po natin ito pong ating matrix structure na mabilis po yang mapuno. At pag napuno po ito, how much is the income na nag-aantay po sa atin? That is $2,000 to $16,000. So ano pong ibig sabihin po nito? Ito po yung pinaka-best na strategy na pwede po natin gawin because it's so simple, it's doable, it's very duplicatable, kayang gawin ng kahit sino kasi dito 2 tao lang. Na 2 tao lang, you can, I'm not saying na 2 tao lang ang kunin mo, but after you get your 2, you can also teach the 2 to get 2 and repeat. And repeat. 'Di ba? Pag natapos na yung 2, naturuan mo yung 2, okay, ganun lang din tayo, no? Kuha tayo ng 2. Show you sino yung 2 tao na yun na kakausapin po natin. So that's how we gonna build the structure. So as I mentioned a while ago, binanggit ko naman po talaga, no, yung 2 taong hinahanap lang po natin dito is yung tao na gustong magpaka-healthy at yung taong gustong magkaroon ng smart income. So tingnan nyo, no, pag tayo po ay na-duplicate po ng tama, okay? Pag tayo po ay na-duplicate po ng tama, yung 2, tinuruan mong kumuha ng 2, ng 2, ng 2. Okay? Yung 2 naging 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 4096. Sa 12th level, kumikita na po tayo dyan ng $2,047. At syempre, kung tayo ay bronze, that is $4,095. Pag tayo po ay nag-platinum, diamond, $8,000 to $16,000. That is the potential residual income na nag-aantay sa atin dito kay Live Good, nakikitain po natin month after month after month after month after month. Paano mangyayari po yon? Just duplicate properly. And that is why, dito po sa LGSEI, ito po yung mantra na talagang tinuro ko last time pa. You go for bronze. Bronze is the basic, is the baseline position or rank na ihihit po natin. You go for bronze in your first week, pass it on and maximize the matrix. So meaning to say, kumuha tayo ng 2, turuan natin yung 2 na kumuha din ng 2, mapupuno po natin ang matrix. At pag napuno natin ang matrix, doon po tayo magkakaroon ng $2,000 to $16,000 potential monthly income. So para gawin po ito, no, I'm gonna show you this, no. Ito po yung ating pong best strategy na let us say, no, sa unang linggo, nag-enroll ka ng 2. Sabi nga ganon, press on while the iron is hot. Pag bago pa lang yan, excited po yan. So, enroll ka ng 2. Okay? Taong gustong magpaka-healthy, taong gustong magkaroon ng extra income. Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, ano? Sa dami ng taong naghahanap ng opportunity, yung iba iniiwan pa nga yung pamilya sa Pilipinas. Yung iba po nagsasanla pa ng kung ano makapag-umpisa lang ng negosyo na hindi mo nga sigurado kung mag-work or hindi mag-work. Samantalang dito, ang liit na puhunan, tuturuan ka paano ito gagawin. You teach the 2 to get 2, and down the line on their first week, maniwala po kayo, on the 15 weeks, no? On the 15th week, pwede na po tayong kumita ng $16,383. This is the potential calculation. So pinakikita po sa atin na depende sa speed, depende sa bilis po ng ating pong pagbibuild ng business, pwede pong mapuno ang matrix sa loob lamang po ng 15 weeks. And basically, that is 3 months and 3 weeks. Meaning to say, okay, mabilis po tayong kumita. At kung nandito ka, hindi ka pa makabili ng products kasi binabudget ang pera, okay lang po yun. Trabahuin po natin yung negosyo. I-build po natin yung ating pong business ng tama kasi by the time kumikita ka ng extra $200, $100, $500, $1,000, palaki ng palaki ng palaki, meron na po tayong capacity to buy the products at iniinom na po natin yung produkto ng libre. At ngayon naman, kung kayo naman po ay meron kayong magandang hanap buhay na, maganda ang negosyo, maganda ang trabaho, pumasok kayo kay Live Good, just you are curious about the products, then buy the products, use the products, and listen to what the products tells you, ano yung sinabi ng produkto sa inyo. And I know for sure, ikikwento mo yan. Ngayon, kung makwento mo po yan sa taong nangangailangan yan, sa tingin mo, would there be a business? Yes. Okay? Just as simple as that. Pumasok ka kay Live Good either or sa intention mo. Magpaka-healthy, kumita ka ng smart income. Okay po? So I hope it's getting clear. Ngayon, sabihin natin, upline B, paano yan? Hindi ko naman kaya yung weekly. Sabihin na lang natin, sige, 2 tao sa unang buwan. Okay, first month. Can we enroll 2 people in 1 month? I know. 100% kaya po natin yan kung talagang i-work natin ng seryoso. So, mabagal na po yan. Trabahong mabagal na po yan. So, 2 sa loob ng 1 buwan, alam nyo ba, 15 months, puno na ang matrix. 15 months puno ng matrix, and how much is the potential income? Guys, listen very carefully. Nag-aral tayo elementary, high school, college, magkano yung monthly income? It's not as huge as in Live Good. Nakikita ka ng $2,000 up to $16,000. That is the potential income. Trabahuin, aralin, at gawin lamang natin ito ng tama. So, allow me to continue. It's pretty exciting. 15 months, puno na ang matrix. Nag-retire na tayo. Kumbaga parang, hindi pa naman retire kasi nagtatrabaho pa tayo. Pero that's already a great, great income. Kumikita ka ng $2,000 to $15,000. Kaya, $16,000. Kaya ito po yung akin pong binubuksan. Yung puso't isipan ng bawat isa na pag naintindihan po natin itong power of two. Although I'm not saying na 2 lang ang enroll mo, pero yung 2, tinuruan mong kumuha ng 2, nagkaroon po ng proper duplication, yung matrix po natin mapupuno. Yung matrix po natin mapupuno kung tayo po ay mag-i-enroll kahit 2. Kasi sa totoo lang, ang pinaka main dish ng ating pong pay plan, and ang pinaka, ang the heart and soul of the pay plan, it's really here on the matrix. So, ang trabaho po natin dito ay punuin po natin ito ng matrix. Punuin po natin yung matrix ng tulong-tulong. So, kung tutuusin, para nakakakita ka ba ng kooperatiba? Parang ganun no, na our goal is to fill in the matrix, di ba? Up to the 15th level kasi yung ating dividendo, yung ating pong potential income is $2,000 to $16,000. And that's how simple it is. Kaya yung dati po nating strategy, yung mga naituro po ng iba, kasi nasa trial and error pa naman tayo nung mga first 2 years, okay, nakikita ka ng walang gagawin. It didn't work, it won't work because yung matrix natin butas. Bakit? Hindi na nagtrabaho yung iba. Nag-antay na lang ng spillover. Kung puro spill waiter, wala nang spill maker, paano mapupuno yung matrix? So why not, magkaroon po tayo ng paradigm shifting na what we gonna do is just the simple power of 2 and teach the 2 to get 2. Ngayon, then repeat. Kasi sa kari-repeat natin na yan, hindi mo ka na. Hindi mo na malayan, diamond ka na. 'Di ba? So you get to and teach the two to get to. So I hope na pag naintindihan po natin itong ating pong matrix commission, this is more than enough. Rock and roll na po tayo dyan. Kasi dito po sa number 3 na ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyong matching bonus, may kinalaman ito kay matrix. Bakit? Depende sa matching sa matrix income ng direct mo, 50% ng matrix income ng direct mo, aakyat po yan sa inyo. Yeah. So example, ito si Lisa. Kumita po siya ng how much? $300. Direct mo yan. Yan yung kanyang matrix income. Kalahati nun akyat sa'yo. So sa lahat ng matrix income ng direct mo, mapa 120 yan, 400, 220, 50% of that akyat ng akyat sa'yo. You can enroll as many as you can. You can build as many leaders as you can. So it's just how simple it is. Ang tanong, meron ka bang dalawang tao na matuturuan na mai-encourage, number one, mai-invite na sumali sa Live Good at tuturuan mo tong unawain, intindihin, gawin yung mag-enroll ng dalawa at turuan yung dalawang kumuha ng dalawa. And repeat. Hi, Coach Lilia. 'Di ba? Just as simple as that. Pag napuno yung ating pong matrix, everybody is masaya, everybody is making money, yung matching bonus natin, masagana. Kasi yung ating matching bonus and generational bonus, that is the main dish of the pay plan. You know why? Akala ko dati, nagkamali ang computation ni Live Good sa generational bonus. Yung pala, ganun pa talaga, pala talaga siya. Kasi dito, meron pa tayong generational bonuses from silver to diamond, first generation up to the fifth generation. Ang laki po nito. Alam niyo po ba na ang ating matrix income pwede pong mag times 5, times 7, times 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Halimbawa, ang matching bonus mo is $500, ang matrix income mo, let us say, ay $500. Pag nag-times 10 yan, pwede kang mag-generational bonus ng $5,000. That's how big it is, no? Ganun po yung kalaki. Pagkakita ko ng sweet. Kaingit naman yun. Sana all. Naririnig kaya niya. Oh my God. Okay, sige. Oh, nakita niyo ba? Nakita ko. Okay, so sige, Live Good Family. Let's continue. So, halimbawa, may directs po kayong 10. Nag-enroll po sila ng, let us say, kumita po sila ng $100. Since direct mo yon, meron kang $50. Isampu sila, di may $500 ka. Ngayon, let us say, no, sa second generation na lang. Sa second generation, meron kang 10 silver. At ang nilalaman po ng silver na yan, okay, meron pong isang daang tao dyan sa silver na yan. Napagpalagay natin para madali lang yung computation, $100 each ang na-earn ng 100 na to. So this is just hypothetical, okay? So 10% po sa silver generation, sa second generation, 10% of $100 is $10, $100 po sila. Meron po kayo dyang $1,000. Kaya ganyan po kapitmalu, ganyan po kalupit yung ating pong matching bonus and generational bonus. And I could say, this is really the main dish of the pay plan. Kumbaga, yan yung pinakamasarap na putahe po dito po kay Live Good. Understood? So, number 4. Okay? So, ngayon, sana po naintindihan po natin to. Meron po akong ipapakita dito. If you think, no, na gagawin niyo po ito pong Live Good na to, kakaririn niyo. Parang ako po, no, talagang kinarir ko na to. Siguro, eto na yung retirement business ko. Basta nandyan si Live Good, nandito ako. Ganun lang po, no? So, meaning to say, no, ito po para dun sa mga magsiseryoso kay Live Good. I would suggest, pwede po kayong isalin nyo yung anak nyo, isalin nyo yung tatay nyo, okay? Magulang nyo. Kasi pag ginawa nyo po ito, isipin nyo yon, yung effort mo, makikinabang yung nanay at tatay mo. So, I hope you are getting me. Kasi kagaya po sa akin, hindi po ako nagsisisi na talagang in-enroll ko yung mga anak ko. Talagang naglabas sila ng sarili nilang pera, and each month, each one of them are making money. Okay? No, na hindi pa nga sila humahataw po talaga. So pag ginawa po natin ito, alam nyo ba, potentially, the family could earn $500,000 a month. So ito po ay mga strategy lamang. You can enroll your entire family. Pero yung iba kasi, ang nangyari ganito, in-enroll lahat ng pamilya, hindi naman nagtrabaho. Kaya parang ang nangyayari, nabigatan sila sa monthly subscription, eh hindi naman dapat ganon. So, kung wala ka namang intention talagang karirin ito, eh wag mo nang idama yung pamilya mo kasi mabibigatan ka lang. 'Di ba? One account is enough. Okay po? Ito pong 3 heads or 7 heads or other heads, no? This is good kung sa tingin mo tatrabahuin nyo. Pero kung hindi naman po, wag na lang. At saka kung halimbawa nandito ka kay Livegood tapos hindi mo ginagawa ang business, hindi ka rin gumagamit ng product, mag-esip-esip-esip po kayo. Bakit nga ba ako nagsusubscribe? Hello, are you with me? So ngayon, kung medyo nung nakaraang taon, medyo naging lenient po tayo, hindi tayo bumibili ng product, tapos hindi rin natin binibuild yung business, ito po yung panawagan ko po sa inyo. Huwag nyo pong sayangin ang panahon. Yung golden opportunity is nasa harap na po natin. It's about time to make a change. Kasi sabi po ni Jim Rohn, for things to change, you need to change. For things to get better, you need to be better. Napakaganda po ng opportunity dito kay Live Good. Gawin, trabahuin, aralin lang po natin ito ng tama. Okay? So now, the last part is the diamond bonus pool na simple lamang po. Pag tayo ay nag-diamond, 2% ng income ng buong Live Good, paghahati-hatian ng mga diamond. Example, may 50 million sales po si Live Good. 50 million times 2%, that is 1 million. Alam nyo ba na last how many months na nagbabayad na si Livegood ng over 1 million US dollar on the payout alone. Grabe, no? Palakpakan po natin. And last month, do you know how many diamonds na nag-level up kay Livegood? Siyam lang naman po sa buong mundo. At sa Pilipinas, wala pa. Kaya bumabounce back pa lang po tayo. Kaya bumounce back po tayo ng bonggang-bongga, na bumabounce back po tayo na may karanasan, may alam, natuto na tayo, wag na natin gawin yung mali. Naintindihan po? So, ngayon, kung may 1 million po, 2% si Livegood, at kung merong 200 na diamonds, how much is the profit sharing of each diamond? That's 5,000 US dollar. And it's really attainable kasi nangyari po yan. Ako naranasan ko po yan. Okay? Kaya ganun na lang yung gigil ko na maibalik ako sa diamond. Kasi nakakamiss na yung 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 'di ba? So kung hindi lang tayo nagka-attrition, eh bonggang-bongga na tayo ngayon. So pero the opportunity already changed the lives of many people and we can go back to it again. Do you believe on that? So yun po yun. Palakpakan po natin si Live Good. And of course, no, last but not the least is the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. So 0.5% naman ang sa Crown Diamond. Eh, ang malupit po dito, kukunti lang po yung Crown Diamond. Tatatlo pa lang po sa buong mundo. And how much is the profit sharing? Potentially, that's 83,000 US dollar. So grabe, no, ilang milyon profit sharing pa lang. So ganun po kapet malo. Kaya kagigil-gigil. Kaya kung nakikita niyo po yung nakikita ko, kakaririn at kakaririn mo po talaga si Live Good. Are you with me? Hello? Talagang, dapat ba, worth it ba si Live Good na karirin? Worth it ba si Live Good na trabahuin? So palakpakan niyo po yung ating pong opportunity na very, very exciting kay Live Good. So type po kayo dyan sa ating pong comment section. So mag-pre-enroll na po tayo doon sa mga first time nakakita nito. At kung kayo po ay maagap na nag-pre-enroll, kahit magbayad kayo sa Friday, kayo po ang mauuna pong mailagay po sa ating pong matrix structure. Okay, so not so much on that. So tayo po ay running to 2 million members as of July of 2025. The next big thing is about to happen. And here is the qualification, paano po tayo mag-rank up. Para sa mga leaders na po na nandito sa Zoom, pwede nyo pong i-screenshot yan. At para dun sa mga gusto talagang mag-rank up, okay, aralin po natin kung paano yan. And we're gonna do it sa ating pong, ginagawa po natin yan sa ating pong Complan detailed training. So that's how you're gonna rank up yourself. Okay. So, wrap up lang po tayo, 10 reasons bakit po kayo sasali kay Live Good. Wholesale prices on high-quality supplements, affordable membership, lucrative affiliate program with a simple system. We have this proven two who get two duplication model at global business opportunity. Grabe, no? Hindi lang sa Pilipinas ang market natin. No auto ship or hard selling, first mover advantage. Tayo po ay mga pioneer pa. Residual income and long-term stability. Nakita nyo naman po si Live Good. Bibigyan po tayo talaga ng lifetime income. Done for you marketing system. Yes. Meron ka ng personalized website, 4 yun, na mga replicated website, and trusted leadership and transparency. So actually, marami pong mga reasons bakit po tayo sasali dito. At para sa mga guest po natin, ito po ang tanong ko po sa inyo, are you A, B, or C? So A, you want to become an affiliate member. B, I want to become a member. C is you want to become a retail customer. So get back to the person that invited you and let them know that if you are A, B, or C. So mayroon po nga pong kasabihan po dito na if you receive something of great value, it is your moral responsibility to share it to others. So Live Good Family, we're already done with our presentation, and allow me to share to you the 4 simple steps on how you're gonna build a business. Number 1 is define your why. Alamin niyo po bakit ano ang dahilan bakit kayo sasali kay Live Good. Because if your why is very clear, your how to is very easy. Our why is the one that fuels our purpose. It fuels your persistence. Number 2 is willing to learn. Sa tingin mo, willing ka bang matuto? Are you coachable? Are you teachable? And growth starts with humility. We need to be humble. Kasi kaya marami pong hindi nag-grow kasi meron pong attitude ng acne. Alam ko na yan, alam ko na yan, alam mo yung ganon. Marami pong mga ganon. So, number 3 is follows directions and obey. So, dito meron po tayong coach na nagtuturo po sa atin how we gonna do the business. So, all you have to do is just trust the system, follow the proven steps. And number 4, take massive action. Stay coachable, don't wait for motivation, move with discipline. At advertisement lang po, no? Panawagan lamang po, tomorrow we have a very good topic which is about taking action. So come and invite your team and we will talk about the power of action. So 2 types of people you are looking again and again. Wag po tayong mag-overthink. Wag po tayong mag-overthink, no? Apply, baka wala akong makausap. Sino naman ang kakausapin ko dyan? Alam mo yung mga ganun na uuna yung ating rant. Una yung mga takot natin. So guys, no, simple lang. Number 1, isip ka lang ng mga tao na nangangailangan po ng ating pong produkto. People who want to become healthy, they become members to enjoy the benefit. Alam nyo, kahit mag-isip ka lang, sino kaya yung mga kaibigan kung may rayuma, may high blood, may diabetic, yung mga kaibigan kung hindi nakakatulog, you just be sincere, no? Sincere lang po tayo na i-share sa kanila yung benefit ng product. Hindi po imposible, hindi po sila bibili sa inyo ng produkto. Magtawag lamang po kayo ng mga kaibigan nyo. Think of those. Kasi ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito ay hindi po pagkamamahal ng product. So think of those people na kilala mo na kailangan po nila yung produkto. At mag-promote tayo sa ating pong wall. Okay? Ang dami pong mga videos na magaganda, sila Sir Ben Glinsky. You can just copy it and post it. From your upline, you can post it. So, something else, no? Andiyan na po yung TikTok affiliate marketing. You can do something else, no? Para makapag-market po tayo ng product. And number 2 is the affiliate member. These are the people who want to earn smart income while helping others, and they become affiliate. They are the promoters and the builders. Ayan po. So, hanap po tayo ng tao na may 3,000 pesos at willing pong magbayad ng 600 pesos, willing matuto, willing gawin ang business, di ba? So, these are just the 2 types of people that we are going to look. And last but not the least, gusto niyo po ba talagang kumita kay Live Good at gawin po ito ng long term? There are just 2 core strategies. And if you're gonna master these 2, then deal na po tayo. Number 1 is the GPS formula. Meron po tayo ditong proven and tested na system na. Yung system, ito po yung nagpapagawa ng ating pong negosyo na duplicatable. At once na ang business po natin is duplicatable, nagiging stable ang ating pong income. So if you want to have a stable growth of your organization, you better do the GPS formula. Pag hindi po tayo nag-GPS, I'm telling you, it would be so hard for us to build a team. Kasi dito po sa GPS, ito po yung guided path to success. This is your foundation. This is your daily rhythm. You want to build an organization, how are you going to do it? Just practice and implement GPS formula. to your team. So meaning to say, you get in, you make a decision, activate your membership, and number 2, plug in, connect to the system. Meron po tayong Zoom dito po sa LGSEI, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Dalawa lamang po ang ating pong presentation every week. That is Tuesday by Coach Ching Norada, Friday by myself. And I'm hoping na yung ating mga leaders, soon to be, sila po ay magiging speaker na rin dito po sa LGSEI. So, we will be having a training the trainers, no? So, para po, dumami po tayong mga speaker. Okay po? At ma-develop pa tayo sa ating pong leadership skills. So, get in, make a decision, activate your membership. Number 2, plug in, connect to the system, the team, and the trainings. Kasi isipin mo ha, Tuesday and Friday, nagdadala ka ng guest. Wednesday, sorry, kasi nung Wednesday, umatake talaga yung sakit ng ulo ko. And then tomorrow, we will be having our master class about the power of action. So, ang dami po natin mga training programs na nag-i-equip po sa bawat isa para maging professional po tayo dito sa business. Kasi, Live Good leaders, no, it's just like this. Ang network marketing, ang Live Good po, wala po itong diploma na hinihingi. Wala po itong grado na nire-require. Wala din pong age qualification. Pero pag trinabaho po natin ito ng maayos, no, professionally, we could get a professional income. And then the question is, paano ka ba magiging professional kung hindi ka nag-a-attend ng GPS? So, ibig sabihin, ito po yung ating pong universidad, ito po yung ating pong academy, ito po yung ating pong system na nag-get in tayo, nagpa-plug in tayo, we stay in, no? Stay consistent, stay committed, stay long enough to grow. We are growing ourselves. Because when you do this, you create duplication. Duplication leads to stability. Example, si Coach Lilia, nag-a-attend ng ating pong Zoom. Okay? Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. May 10 siyang mga leader. Nag-a-attend din ng Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Yung 10 leader na yon nag-grow, nagle-learn. Naiintindihan nila yung power of GPS. So anong ituturo nila down the line? Mag-GPS din yung team. And in that scenario, doon po talaga tayo lumalaki. Doon tayo nagkakaroon ng duplication. And if there is duplication, there is stability. Ako po, bunga po ako ng GPS. Since the time immemorial na nag-network po ako, I always plug into the system and that is why I grow myself. Ngayon, sinasabi ko po ito sa team for you na ma-execute nyo yung tama on how you gonna build the business. Because if you are not going to implement GPS, it would be so difficult to build a team. Kasi dito, andyan na eh. May speaker ka na, may nagtitraining na, may nagtuturo na. Ano na lang ang gagawin mo? Magpa-plug in ka na lang. I-equip ka din to become the speaker, to become a leader na nandito ka. So this is a platform helping lift up others. So that is why GPS, you master it and teach it to your team because GPS will build the team. And once there is a team, there is a duplication and there is stability. So that is the first thing that we are going to master. Number 2 is master po natin yung power of 2 strategy. Itong dalawang ito, shoot sa banga na po tayo. Kumbaga, i-simplify po natin yung negosyo. Make it so simple, doable, na kahit wala pa nga yung mga AI, wala pa yung mga automation, kahit ito lamang po, no? Magawa at maintindihan po talaga natin ito. This is more than enough for us to grow the business. Kasi ang simple lamang po ni Live Good. Hindi po siya komplikado. Kaso nga lang, ano ba ang ginagawa natin? So number 1, you master the power of GPS, promote it to your team, let them understand the power of GPS, and let them understand the power of 2. Because this is the duplicable growth plan. This is your engine for building your team fast, simple, and strong. Start with just 2 people, teach them to do the same, and repeat. Get 2, teach your 2 to get 2, support, and repeat. So saan mo siya isusupport? Dalhin mo sila sa GPS. Dito, nai-educate sila. Paulit-ulit-ulit nilang napapakinggan yung presentation, yung greatness ng product, understanding on the pay plan, nag-a-attend sila ng mga trainings, di ba? Nag-grow sila, nag-groom nila yung kanilang kaalaman, nag-grow sila professionally, and then the professional income will just follow. So this is so simple, attainable, duplicatable, and friendly. So for me, no, talagang I came up with this very simple formula for us to internalize, for us to put discipline on it, stay committed on it, and stay focused on it, no? Focus on your focus and put energy on it, put speed on it so that we could create momentum. Ngayon po, nasa momentum stage po tayo. Nasa bounce back strategy po tayo. Nasa bounce back moment po tayo from setbacks. Kasi alam naman po natin what really went wrong with Philippine market. Kailangan lang po natin taasan yung ating level of awareness. What should I do from now on? That's why I'm encouraging everybody tomorrow to please attend po ng ating pong trainings. Lahat po ng mga trainings na ginawa ko since June up to current, I got to record it and put it in our YouTube. And we have so many plans for LGSEI, pero hindi ko muna siya, alam mo yun, di-disclose. Basta, ang sa akin lang masasabi ko sa inyo is focus on your focus. Okay? Observe speed. Focus on your goal. Huwag kang papayag na itong buwan ng August, wala kang dalawa. Dalawang bago. Dalawang bago na tuturuan mong kumuha din ng dalawa. Dalawang bago na tuturuan mong mag-GPS. Kasi pag ito inumpisahan po natin gawin, I know we could build a strong structure. Provided na gagawin po natin ito. Kasi kahit anong ganda po ng ating project, ng ating platform, ng ating opportunity, kung hindi din po natin ito lalagyan ng dedikasyon, ng commitment, ng discipline, lalong-lalo na po ng aksyon, it could lead you to burnout. Pwede po kayong ma-burn out kasi you will ended up saying wala namang nangyayari sa atin. Pero question is, are you really committed enough? Are you really disciplined enough? Are you focused enough of taking action on the goal na gusto mo talagang maabot? So with that, no, I hope na nag-make sense sa inyo ito pong ating pong presentation. And allow me to close this by sharing to you the LGSEI mission statement. This is a business that is very, very close to my heart. Pwede na po ako mag-retire, pero mahal ko yung ginagawa ko eh. At ito po yung mission statement natin, to raise faith-driven leaders who are called to soar, empowered by wellness, anchored in purpose, and equipped to duplicate abundance across nations. So yun po yung mission statement ni Live Good, ni LGSEI, na tayo po ay nagre-raise up ng mga leaders na nagtitiwala tayo na ang Diyos ang siyang ating pinaka-great upline. Nandito tayo because we are born to lead, we are born to soar, we are born to win, we are designed to win. Empowered tayo ng wellness kasi diyan pinanganak si Live Good, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. At nandito tayo to become the deliverer of hope. Tayo yung tagabigay ng pag-asa sa mga tao. And that is our purpose, helping other pursue excellence, equipped to duplicate. That is why yung power of two is so simple. Para magkaroon po tayo ng abundance, no? Makapag-create tayo ng talagang unlimited income here in Live Good. So with that, sana po no na share ko po. Maraming salamat. So disclaimer lamang po tayo, the information contained herein has been provided as an information service only, not a financial or medical advice. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only as reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. Also note that the delivery or courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and a monthly subscription of 9.95 is a requirement to remain active here in LiveGood. So with that, maraming salamat. Go to the person who invited you. Share nyo po ito pong ating pong PowerPoint presentation. I try to make it as clear as I can. Focus on working on yourself and you're gonna attract of who you become. So with that, maraming salamat sa mga nakinig po sa atin dyan sa live. Share nyo po ito, and sa mga nandito po sa Zoom, stay tuned and we will be having quick discussions before tayo po ay maghiwalay. So sa lahat ng mga nakikinig sa amin dyan sa live, maraming salamat po. Sa mga nanood po nito ng replay, i-type nyo po dyan sa comment section replay. Okay po? And i-share po ninyo. Ilagay nyo po ang inyo pong powerful landing page bago nyo po ito share sa mga prospects nyo. Thank you and God bless.